18 divided parenthesis 3 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied to 2. So let's solve this using order of operations, and we remember order of operation through PEMDAS or BODMAS or BIDMAS or PEDMAS. These all rules stand for the same thing. P is for parenthesis, E is for exponent, A to the power n, A to the power m is for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. However, writing PEMDAS like this does not mean that multiplication has any precedence over division or multiplication comes first, or in BODMAS you can see we have division first and then multiplication, but it does not mean that division comes before multiplication. They are grouped together. So no more confusion. Whenever you get division or multiplication, you always see which is coming first from left to right. If multiplication is coming first from left to right, you solve that. If division is coming first, you do that. Same goes for addition and subtraction. So based on this rule, let's solve this question. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. So 18 divided parenthesis, and within parenthesis also we have to follow this PEMDAS rule. So from left to right we have division first. So choice of left to right is always between multiplication, division and addition, subtraction. You can see that from left to right we are having here addition first, but there is no choice between addition and division. Always division comes first before addition. You can see here. After solving multiplication and division, when you are getting choice between addition and subtraction, you see which is coming first from left to right. So 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 and then multiplied to 2. 18 divided. Now again between addition and multiplication, of course we have to do multiplication first. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 plus 6. So 18 divided. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. So write 9. Now 18 divided by 9 is 2. So this is our answer. If you got this answer, well done. Let me know in the comment section what is your answer. And for more such videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.